This delta is home of the Royal Bengal tiger.
Let us now explore the Brahmaputra drainage system.
Brahmaputra River originates from the Mount Narmada Lake in the Himalayas. Sanskrit name for Brahmaputra is Prithya. It joins the river Ganga in Bangladesh. The river is longer than Indus. It is about 1800 miles or 2900 kilometers long. Most of its course lies outside India. It flows eastwards parallel to the Himalayas. Taking a U-turn, it enters India at Narmada. It is known as Drinag in Arunachal Pradesh. Tributaries of the Brahmaputra River are Drinag, Lorit, Kendula, and others. In Tibet, the river has less water and less silt. In India, it passes through a region of high rainfall. Here, it has large volume of water and huge deposits of silt. It has a braided channel in its entire length in the Assam. It shakes its channel frequently. It forms many riverine islands. Majauli is a fluvial island in Brahmaputra River in Assam. It is the largest riverine island in the world and the largest freshwater island in South Asia. It also has the smallest river island of the world named Umananda. Brahmaputra is an important source for irrigation and transportation.
Test yourself at which place does Ganga emerge from the mountains into the plains. The options are A. Badrinath, B. Gangotri, C. Haridwar, D. Rishikesh. The answer is Haridwar. Let us look at the explanation. Haridwar, gateway to the four pilgrimages in the Uttaranchal region, is located on the foothills of the Himalayas. The Ganga leaves the mountains and enters the plains, with Haridwar being the first major town on the plains. Though the Ganga does not lose its rapids completely, nevertheless, it becomes very quiet and calm here.
Peninsular rivers are seasonal in nature as their flow is dependent on rainfall. Most of the peninsular rivers originate in the western Ghats and flow into the Bay of Bengal. Some originate in the highlands and flow westwards. Their course is shorter and shallower as compared to the Himalayan rivers. The peninsular rivers flow through shallow valleys. The intensity of erosional activities is also comparatively low because of the gentler slope. The hard rock bed and lack of silt and sand does not allow any significant meandering. Many rivers, therefore, have straight and linear courses. Important peninsular rivers are Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri.
The subtopics are the Narmada Basin, the Tapi Basin, the Godavari Basin, the Maharashtra Basin, the Krishna Basin, the Kaveri Basin,
Narmada River rises in the Amarkantak Hills in Madhya Pradesh. It forms a traditional boundary between the North and South India. It flows towards the west in a rift valley between the Satpura and Vindhya ranges. Narmada River covers a total distance of 1312 km, draining through the Gulf of Cambay into the Arabian Sea. Its tributaries are short and drawn at right angles. The draining basin of this river covers Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. River is generally turbulent and confines to steep banks. This makes navigation and irrigation difficult. It creates many picturesque locations, the marble rocks and the Dhuadas Falls near Jabalpur. Tapi River rises in the Satpura ranges in Betur district, Madhya Pradesh. It flows in a river valley parallel to the Narmada River. Its length is around 724 km. It empties into the Gulf of Cambay of the Arabian Sea in the Surat district of Gujarat. Its tributaries are Purna River, Girna River, Banzara River, Bori River, and Anek River. Draining basin covers parts of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Godavari River originates near the Drinag in Nasik district of Maharashtra. It is also known as Dakshin Ganga. It originates just 80 kilometers away from the Arabian Sea. It journeys 1,465 kilometers to fall into the Bay of Bengal. It is the largest peninsular river with the largest river basin. Draining basin covers Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh. Tributaries of the Godavari River are Purna, Vardha, Ramhita, Manjula, Wainganga, and Penganga. Important urban centers of its banks include Nasik, Aurangabad, Nagpur, Nizamabad, and Balaghat. Mahanadi rises in the highlands of Chhattisgarh. It flows through Odisha and falls into the Bay of Bengal through a delta near Cuttack. The total length of this river is 860 km. It is one of the most active silt depositing streams in the Indian subcontinent. It has an estimated drainage area of 51,000 square miles. Its drainage basin is shared by Maharashtra, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand. Hirakud is the largest urban structure at Sambhalpur, which regulates the flow of the Mahanadi to produce hydroelectricity. Krishna River rises from a spring near Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra at an altitude of 1336 meters. Total length is 1400 km. It flows into the Bay of Bengal. Tributaries of Krishna are Tungabhadra, Koyna, Ghatapara, Mosi, and Bhima. Its draining basin covers Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Kaveri rises in the Brahmagiri range of the Western Ghats. It reaches the Bay of Bengal in the south of Kudanur, Tamil Nadu. The total length of Kaveri is 760 km. Its tributaries are Amaravati, Bhavani, Hemavati, and Kaveri. Its basin drains parts of Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. The river Kaveri makes the second biggest waterfall in India, known as Sivasamudra. A body of water is considered a lake when it is an inlet. Another part of the ocean is larger and deeper than a pond and is fed by a river. Natural lakes are generally found in the mountainous areas, drift zones, and areas with ongoing or recent glaciations. There are many lakes present in India which differ in size and other characteristics. These lakes are formed due to different natural and human activities. Some lakes are formed due to accumulation of rainwater. There are some lakes which originated due to the action of glaciers and ice sheets. Lakes are also formed by wind and river action when a wide meander forms a stream or a river is cut off to form a lake. There are man-made lakes which are created by a flooded land behind the dam. Let us look at some different types of lakes in India and their uses.
Let us know about the freshwater lakes. Most freshwater lakes are in the Himalayan region. These lakes are of glacial origin. These are formed when glaciers dug out a basin, which was later filled with snowmelt. The important lakes are Dal Lake, Bhimtal, Nainital, Barapani, and Loktak. Buller Lake in Jammu and Kashmir is a result of tectonic activity. It is the largest freshwater lake in India.
Another type of lakes is oxbow lakes. It is a U-shaped water body. These lakes are formed when a wide meander from the main stream of a river is cut off to create